You shaking head. Damn, the water is so calm now. I have to get back out there. Oh, you can't even see the snow caps down there. This is what it's all about, bro. Wow, in the mountains, there's fish jumping everywhere. In front of us everywhere. Starting with this backwood. See if this don't change our luck a little bit, huh? I wish you could see those mountains. There's so much dope in them there. Look on this little fucking screen. This is so peaceful, man. This has to be another brown. So big. And they're fucking fat brown, dude. Hands wet. It's okay, buddy. I'm gonna let you go. Skinny little 13-inch brown. Keep this one for lunch. Can't see it from here, but there's a bald eagle up on that tree. I'm trying to feed him this fish. I had a fish on earlier and it was jumping out of the top of the water and the eagle came down and tried to get it. Super glad the fish got off because I wouldn't have known what to do in a split second, but try to get this on camera, that'd be so cool. Oh my god. It's going for it, dude. Right in front of me. I've always wanted to fucking do that. That was so fucking dope. Here you go, buddy. You're welcome. Feed the babies.